Dear students, today we will solve examples of practice set 3.3 from the chapter triangle. So, first example, find the value of x and y using the information given in the figure. Also find major angle ABD and major angle ACD. Now, if you observe the figure, here in the diagram there are two isosceles triangles. So we are going to make use of the isosceles triangle theorem to solve this example. Now first we will consider in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, major angle in triangle ABC, side AB is congruent to side AC. Side AB is congruent to side AC, which is given. Therefore, by isosceles triangle theorem, base angles are congruent, side opposite to the congruent, angle opposite to congruent, side is congruent, so angle ABC is congruent to angle ACB. Angle ACB. But now angle ABC is x, so and this AC angle ABC is x and ACB is 50. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to x, which is equal to 50 degrees. So angle x is equal to 50 degrees. Now, therefore, now angle ABD is equal to angle ABC plus angle CBD plus angle CBD, angle addition property. Therefore, angle ABC is x plus 60, which is equal to x is equal to 50 plus 60, which is equal to 110 degree. Angle ABD is 110 degree. Now in triangle BDC. Now in triangle BDC, side BD is congruent to side CD given. Therefore, by isosceles triangle theorem, base angle is congruent to this angle. DBC is congruent to angle DCB. Angle DCB by isosceles triangle theorem. Now this angle is 60 and this is y, so both y equal to 60. Therefore, angle DBC is equal to angle DCB is equal to y, which is equal to 60 degree. Now, angle ACD is equal to angle ACB plus angle BCD angle addition property. Therefore, angle ACB is y plus BCD is 60 degree. BCD is ACB is equal to 50 and BCD is equal to y. Therefore, 50 plus y is 60 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. So angle ACD is 110 degree. Second example, the length of the hypotenuse of right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of the median on its hypotenuse. So, by theorem of the median on hypotenuse of right angle triangle, we get that length of median is half into length of hypotenuse. Length of hypotenuse. So therefore, length of the median is 1/2 into length of hypotenuse is given as 15. 2 1 the 2 7 the, that is 7.5 units is the length of the median. Third example, in triangle PQR, angle Q is 90 degree, PQ is equal to 12, QR is equal to 5, QS is the median, find length QS. Therefore, in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PR is the hypotenuse. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Therefore, PR square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. Therefore, PR square is equal to 144. 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25. Therefore, PR square is equal to 169. PR square is 169. Therefore, taking square root of both the sides, PR is equal to 13 units. Hypotenuse, length of the hypotenuse is, therefore, hypotenuse of triangle PQR, hypotenuse PR is equal to 13 units. Now, once we got the hypotenuse is 13 units, now we can find the length of the median. QS is the median. Therefore, by theorem of property of the median on hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, we get length of median is equal to half into length of the hypotenuse Therefore, 1/2 into length of the hypotenuse is 30. 2 1s are 2, that is 6.5 units. So length of the median QS is the median, length of the median QS is 6.5 units. Fourth example, in the given figure, point G is the point of concurrence of the medians of triangle PQR. If GT is equal to 2.5, find length PG and length PT. Now, here GT is given 2.5 and G is a point of concurrence. G is point of concurrence. Therefore, point G is a centroid of triangle PQR, and we know that know that centroid divides the median in ratio 2:1. Therefore, this median PT is divided in the ratio 2:1 by point G, point of concurrence. Therefore, PG S2 GT is equal to 2:1. Therefore, PG upon GT is equal to 2/1. GT is given. Therefore, PG upon GT is 2.5 is equal to 2/1. Therefore, PG is equal to 2 into 2.5. Therefore, PG is equal to 5. 2.5 into 2 is 5 units. So PG is 5 units. Therefore, PT is equal to PG plus GT between is P dash G dash T. Therefore, PG is 5 plus GT is 2.5. So therefore, PT is equal to 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5 units.